Excessive rest can often be a silent enemy. Many believe that staying still at home is the safest path. But joints fade, not from movement, but stillness. Do not let these four walls become a barrier to your vitality. Real health begins when we realize that our bodies were designed to keep on moving. When we stop moving, our joints lose their natural lubrication. Like a machine left in the rain, the human body begins to rust without its daily activity. I have spent 30 years watching how simple movements can heal. Today, I want to show you how to turn your home into a sanctuary of strength. You do not need a gym or a park to reclaim your mobility. Your journey back to strength starts right here, on the very floor you walk. Every second spent in total inactivity is a missed opportunity for your bones. Let us replace the ticking of the clock with the rhythm of your steps. Rising from a chair should be an act of grace, not a struggle. It is the first step in proving that age is merely a number, not limits. Your feet are the foundation of your entire world. By training them carefully within these walls, you are building a future of true independence and total freedom. Listen closely to your body as we begin this journey. This is not about speed. It is about the precision of every single movement you make today. Walking inside your home is more than just moving from room to room. It is a biological process that pumps life into every single bone and joint. Each step activates the synovial mechanism, our body's natural way of self-lubrication. This fluid is the precious oil that keeps your internal gears moving smoothly. You only need a few meters of space to perform this miracle. Precision in movement is far more valuable than the distance you cover in a day. Without movement, joints become like a rusty hinge that is difficult to turn. But with these exercises, we restore the effortless glide of your youthful self. The muscles in your lower legs act as a secondary heart. They pump blood back upward, ensuring your entire system stays oxygenated and very healthy indeed. Every millimeter of movement counts when you are in a confined space. We are turning your hallway into a high-tech laboratory for your personal longevity. A tall spine is a sign of a strong spirit. Walking correctly helps decompress the vertebrae, allowing your nervous system to function at its absolute peak. Notice how your weight shifts from the heel to the toe. This sensory feedback is vital for brain health and maintaining a perfect sense of balance. Motion and breath are inseparable partners. As we move through these corridors, we are feeding every cell in your body the vital oxygen it craves. The science of gait remains the same, regardless of your age. You are using the same mechanics as a champion to maintain your daily physical independence. Consistency is the secret ingredient that turns simple indoor steps into a powerful medicine for your soul. Let us master the art of the walk. Let us begin our first movement, the heel touch. Use a chair for support if needed, ensuring your safety is the top priority as we start. Imagine you are touching the surface of a still mountain lake. Place your heel down with such gentleness that you wouldn't even wake a sleeping fish. This gentle impact sends a signal to your bones to stay dense and strong. It is a conversation between your weight and the solid earth below. Alternate your legs with the rhythm of a pendulum. This exercise builds the crucial stability needed to prevent falls and keep you walking with total confidence. Next, we practice the carpet edge walk. Following a straight line forces your brain to recalibrate your balance sensors and strengthens your core muscles significantly. Keep your steps small and deliberate. By narrowing your path, you are training your nervous system to handle the unexpected turns of daily life with ease. Imagine a golden thread pulling the crown of your head toward the sky. Maintaining this vertical axis is the key to effortless and pain-free movement. Your inner ear is a delicate instrument of balance. These simple indoor drills help keep that instrument perfectly tuned, no matter how many years have passed. Safety is not about avoiding movement, but about moving with awareness. Use the furniture around you as a partner in your quest for physical stability. Feel the blood tingling in your feet and the strength returning to your legs. You are already more capable than you were just a few minutes ago. We are not trying to go back in time, but to make the present moment the most vibrant and healthy version of your life right now. Real change often begins in the quietest moments. Meet Sarah, a woman who once believed her days of walking freely were over due to chronic pain. The sofa had become her entire world, and the fear of falling was a shadow that followed her every single step. making her life feel small. She didn't start with a marathon. She started with 500 steps a day, right there between her television and her kitchen table. Day after day. Progress was slow, almost invisible at first, but the body has an incredible memory for health, and it began to respond to her quiet, daily discipline. 6 months later, the walker was moved to the attic. The walls that once felt like a prison had become the gymnasium of her amazing rebirth. She reclaimed her freedom, not through a miracle, but through the power of her own will and the consistency of her small, indoor steps every day. The strength she built in her living room gave her the keys to the outside world once again. Her story is a testament to human resilience. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Small efforts, when repeated daily, create the massive transformations that we all seek for our health. You are not alone in this journey. Thousands are taking these same steps right now, choosing life and movement over the slow decay of total stillness. Small discipline leads to big freedom. Every step you take is a vote for the person you want to be. Active, strong, and completely independent. Now, let us expand our range of motion. We will use the kitchen counter as a guide for our next lateral exercise, focusing on hip mobility. The sideways walk is essential for strengthening the outer hip muscles. These muscles are the primary defenders against losing your balance and falling sideways unexpectedly. A flexible and strong hip is the fountain of youth for your gait. It allows your legs to swing freely and absorbs the shock of every step. Next, we lift our knees high. This movement engages the lower abdominals and further opens the hip flexors, which often become tight from too much sitting. Coordinate your breath with each lift. Inhale as the knee rises. Exhale as it falls. This rhythm turns a simple exercise into a meditative, healing practice. Do not let the small space limit your ambition. You can build incredible cardiovascular health even within the area of a single square meter of floor. Every repetition is a message to your heart to beat stronger. You are the architect of your own vitality, building it brick by brick, step by step. Movement is a form of prayer for the body. It honors the incredible engineering of your bones and the gift of life that flows through them. Keep your movements light and springy. We want to cultivate an inner lightness that makes every daily task feel like a simple and easy breeze. We have traveled through your home today, but more importantly, we have traveled through the map of your own incredible and resilient physical potential. These tools are now yours to keep forever. Use them daily to maintain the temple of your body and the sharpness of your focused mind. Your body is a masterpiece, a wonder of nature that deserves your most dedicated protection. Never underestimate the power of your own 2 feet. Do not wait for a perfect day or a special occasion to begin. The best time to start moving toward your freedom is exactly right now. See the joy that comes from regaining your strength. This is the community of those who refuse to sit still while life passes them by. I have seen thousands reclaim their lives, and I know you can do it too. Your home is your gym, and every step is a victory. The path to the world starts at your doorstep. Build the strength inside so you can enjoy every beautiful moment that waits for you outside. Join us on this mission to keep the world moving. Your health is our passion, and we are here to guide you every single step. Take that first step today. We will be right here, waiting for you in our next session. Your journey to lasting health has just begun. Thank you for trusting us with your health. Walk with pride, walk with purpose, and most importantly, walk for the freedom that you truly deserve.